Transformational Conscious Arts. The Art of Divine Alchemy. As we learn to explore our connection to our emotions, we use them as a gateway to get to the original trauma that lies underneath. When I discovered this, it was a profound tool that totally changed my life. I've always been very sensitive, and I think we all are, and we're like sponges. So we go into environments, we're born into certain cultures and family situations, and we take on the world around us. And then a lot of the times we start to think that that's us. And I definitely started to feel that from an early age, that I was very sensitive. But I took on a lot of my environment, and I started to feel like there was something wrong with me. And then when I discovered the arts, it was like I just opened up to this reality that I realized, number one, that 95% of what I was feeling wasn't even mine. And secondly, I could use divine alchemy to help me to transform anything that I was absorbing effortlessly by embracing the feeling as deeply as I could, embracing the feeling, and then getting out of the way and letting that great intelligence shine light through it and transform it. We learn to embrace the pure, deep, raw feeling so that it can be transformed and released by the intelligence itself. Through embracing our deepest feelings and holding them open to this intelligence, we learn how to transform the deepest, darkest, dense feelings and vibrations into energy and light. And for me, that has been a lifesaver, because it helps me to separate my energy and keep myself clear enough on a daily basis. Like, this is a practice that I do pretty much every day. And when I go to bed at night, or even if I come from certain situations that I've been in, and just, environments in the world that you go into, and I come away and I might feel heavy or I feel disconnected, and I hadn't before I went into that situation, then I take the time to just sit and work with the universe to bring everything I've absorbed out into the open, embrace it, and transform it. So this is a very profound tool that I feel a lot of enlightened masters and ordinary beings have practiced throughout the ages. And it's divine alchemy, because alchemy is the process of turning lead into gold. And divine alchemy in the arts is taking all these heavy, dense feelings, whether they're our own or from the world around us. And as karma burners, actually, the more we clear ourselves, the more we do take on the world around us to help clear a lot of stuff that can even be in the collective consciousness.
And it's not just specific to us. It is, like, as you go through life, you develop traumas, and as we said, it's like sponges. We absorb we hold on to those in our cells, and we'll hold on to them until we die, unless we know about divine alchemy and we put ourselves in a position to really learn how to feel into that and get to the trauma through the feeling, usually deep feeling, and so that it can release. That's deep feeling is almost the theater on which the divine alchemy can operate. And it then, once you embrace it, the intelligence knows when it's ready to break, and it comes up through our soul into our body. And any vibrations, it could be a process over many years. I personally transformed a tumor through this. Do I have some of it? I don't really know, because I don't have to. I'm not under medical coverage anymore. As in, I don't have to go to hospitals and get MRIs and all that sort of stuff. But it does this. But it's not specific just to our lifetimes. We absorb our cultures. We absorb our ancestors. if they haven't done this, then when it comes to us, we carry it, you know, and in our immediate family, it's going to be more severe. But if there's anything that confuses in your life, it's in the background, you're always wondering what it is or whatever, it may not even be anything to do with you. But this process will locate it over time, and you'll clear it. And that's amazing.
The intelligence of this energy can transform any trauma once it has been fully embraced. As we move into deep vulnerability, allowing numbness and old protections to melt away, we become master alchemists, turning lead into gold and heavy, dense feelings into light and expansion. The Transformational Conscious Arts and their mastery guides us there.